Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the new cloth and paper subscription box for June. Okay, so I just got this box and I'm so excited to get it. It's part of their 9th anniversary, and I used to subscribe I think for a few years. I stopped the last 2 years. So I subscribed when I was still using a disc planner, half letter size, but I resubscribed now doing A5 rings. So everything now, I guess, in their sub boxes comes with a pouch, which is really great. And one of the key things is I really wanted this pouch. I think it's vegan leather, but it's really super soft. It really feels like leather. This is a really nice like planner travel case or for anything, maybe even a clutch too. So I really like how they have their new boxes now. There is luxury and simplicity. I really like their clean style. So I'm excited to open everything up in here. Okay, I really, really love this pouch. It's sort of one of the things that really caught my eye for this sub box. And I've been toying with the idea of resubscribing. This really feels super soft and luxurious. And inside has this sort of satiny fabric lining inside. It's really pretty. So inside, you can see inside here, it's just really simple. There's no pockets inside, and you close it with a drawstring, although it doesn't really close like all the way. So I think it's just, it's good for a notebook, planner, some paper and stuff to carry things around, or little things you may want to do. But this is really just really beautiful. Okay, I took off the plastic on that one and just wanted to see what was inside here. This is Evolve Cloth and Paper, 9 years of elevated planning and innovation. It's really nice and showing their progress from 2016 to today. This is really cute. It's like a cute little postcard. You can punch it and put in your planner. But I love the typography that they've been using and been doing for their design. It's been very consistently clean, beautiful, elegant, sophisticated. I really love cloth and paper. And here's the reference card for everything that's in the box, the dust bag, dashboard, everything else, and a description too. So I'll put this aside. And these are labels for the divider. There's dividers in here. And I was looking for, they have labels they sell on their site, and I was looking at them, but these are nice because I think these are exactly what I need for my ring agenda. So these are label stickers, and these are time-based ones, and these are essentials. So these are like tasks, brainstorm, currently, overview, private, personal, goals. Oh, these are great. They're transparent with it's silver foil too. I don't know if you can see. If you can see well, I'll come a little closer. And these are like today, weekly, time block. Sorry, with the glare of the window. Dailies, monthly, and then days of the weeks are here. So these are really, really good. I need these. And this is an August calendar. I think you can put this on your desk. I don't know if I'll need this like this, but someone has also said you can cut it and put it in your planner too. Maybe highlight vacations or whatnot. And it's really pretty though, with this sort of embossed raised circles. Very cute. Member access for the collection. I'm not sure if they sell their stuff online later on. This is cute, this monthly reflection card. It's a mirrored card, and it says Atelier. What impact do you want to leave on the world? Oh, it's very cool. And then these, I love the colors that they use here. Very much my aesthetic with the muted colors. These are page pins. And you can use it to highlight this very thick like vellum too. It's really nice. You can also use it to like as like bookmarks, but also to like highlight certain passages and things. But I love this color scheme. It's so pretty. It matches really well with the bag. These are the pens to get some paper. Just use it. Test it on here. And this is really well done. It's like raised printing on here. So there's 2 pens in this box. The first one is the Pilot V-Ball 0.5, and this is a Schneider 0.3. I've never used this before. Let's try this out. Okay, let's see. This writes really well. It doesn't feel like a 0.3. You know, like sometimes when you write with a 0.3, it feels it's rough to write with. It's pretty smooth. This is 0.5. Oh, I like it a lot. I used to subscribe, I don't know if they still do that, their pen subscription thing. So they used to have a subscription thing. So it's nice that they are including like pens in the sub box here. I'll definitely use this. I really like ink that's very black. And I feel like the Schneider, I don't know if I'm saying that right. This pen is very black when you write. So this is nice. And let's take a look here. Look at some dashboards. Okay, there are 2 dashboards. I opened them up off camera. This one is just gorgeous, and this is the one I want to use in my ring planner. Elegance is not standing out, but being remembered. It's a quote by Giorgio Armani, and I just think it's so pretty with the embossed like type out here. This is vellum, and it says sanguine. An attitude or outlook that is optimistic, positive, and hopeful. So both of these are really nice. I'm going to use these in my planner somehow. This is what I needed because all of my vellum and my dashboards from Cloth and Paper are for the ring A5 half letter rings. Not rings, discs. Excuse me. And this must be the dividers. Okay, these are dividers, and I've had dividers like this. They're very thick. Like the glass plastic ones. Let me find the paper I wrote. They're low profile side tab tinted dividers. And I think there's a plastic film that you have to remove off of these. So I'll do that later on. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this in my planner setup now or keep them for later, but I like them. And I think they'll look nice with the stickered labels. They really stand out on here. So the only problem is in my Louis Vuitton agenda, these take up a lot of thickness. So I got new dividers from Infinite Lotus that are much thinner, but they aren't as durable for sure. But I'm going to see how they last. And if not, I'll use these as a backup. But this is really good to have on hand. Okay, and then this is what I've been waiting for. I feel like this is like worth the price of the whole box. Okay, this is the Traveler's Notebook, and it's in this vegan leather cover, and this cover is really nice. And it comes with 4 notebooks inside. This one is Doc Grid paper. This one in this taupe color is, it's executive, it says. So it's like your daily plan. So you can perpetual calendars up here, and you can circle the date and the subject for notes each day. This one is task planner. Oh, so this is nice. Just like lists that you can just put all the to-dos on here. And this one is monthly, says monthly admin. Oh, so this is cool. So you have a monthly calendar, important dates, notes, and tasks, and then that's just there for this whole notebook is this. Well, that's great. Yeah, I really love this. And I watched this video over the weekend of someone opening their box and how they're using this Traveler's notebook set. And you can put this, and you can clip your pen in the back. Let's try it this way and see if that works. And you should be able to close it. Yeah, it closes. That's nice. So you can keep your pen in here too. It's a nice way for a pen holder. And I also have another cloth and paper one, so you can use it when you're, say if I'm using this as my daily pages, I can just clip it like that. So it keeps my place. So that looks really nice. Yeah, this is really functional. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep all 4 books here, but it's great to take on the go or for your purse or something. You keep the page pins in here. See if that fits. Yeah, it does. And this is really nice. This feels really good. It's really nice and soft. There's no plasticky smell when you take it out or anything. It's very, very nice, very soft. So this definitely, I mean, for 4 different notebooks in here and a cover is already like expensive out there. So for, this entire box was a great deal, and to get everything in here. So yeah, this is the box that, let me put everything together. There are actually 3 sets of label stickers, and I missed this one that is for lifestyle, like self-care, journaling, writing, cleaning, hobbies, reading. So they're actually, the labels, there are 3 of them. There's three different ones. So that's really cool to see. Let me get a piece of paper you can see here. So there's a time one, there's essentials, and then there's lifestyle. So this is, I think they sell something like a label set on their site, but it's a CEO kit. So I'm sure that they would be selling this again soon, because these are like essentials, like one for family. I can already see you can use that as a tab to put all your family notes in there. Okay, this is the cloth and paper sub box for June. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to definitely incorporate some of this stuff in my A5 ring setup for July. So look for that video soon. I hope to get out to you by the end of the week or so. But have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.